Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are continuing our $5 meal marathon. Today's the last day, guys, because tomorrow is Christmas.
Well, damn.
All right, honey. Damn. What do we have today?
Let me think. What I made today. All right. Got you. All right. Right now we got ground chicken, right? Mm-hmm. Right, and we got the vegetarian baked beans. Them. Mm-hmm. You don't have to get the vegetarian because you know I don't eat the pork. Mm-hmm. But first, gotta eat it today, the vegetarian. And I got some, you know, my little tomato, onions, and you know, something like rice. And some white rice, you know.
If you had to name this, what would you name it? Because Richie just makes food. He just goes, he thinks of something, he makes it, and that's what
exactly.
he eats.
And it's cheap and clean. So
yes.
I just think of it and I just do it together. Oh, Richie special.
Oh,
yeah, Richie special.
But before we dig in, we want to show you guys our outfit of the day.
Hey! I hope you like it because we love it.
Alright guys, we are going to
taste it first, lady, because you know you have to taste the thing, because you know somebody just put it together fast and simple. Much of the thing, you know. Taste good? Mm-hmm. Alright, okay, first it tastes good. Fam, yo, this fuck ain't gonna grab one.
Okay, I'm gonna eat some food and then
chit chat with y'all. This tastes good.
I'll tell you guys how much it costs.
Eat some food for it. Wait.
Oh my.
Hold on. Do y'all want some with the beans or you want some with the ground chicken? You know, I'm being silly. Alright, you could take some. I give you a lot.
Just mix in one.
The other day, y'all said I give you enough food. I'm being stingy. Don't drop.
It looks like you're gonna drop it now.
I'll get some more. Take some. You can see. I can't turn it, but it look good. See? There.
I hope it doesn't drop, guys.
It's not drop. Wows. First lady, be honest. How does it taste?
It tastes delicious. How do you think of this?
I know. I just think of something. First lady, when I was making, what you was thinking? Like,
not gonna lie, no.
No, be honest.
Richie said. Okay.
I got something in mind.
Richie made something similar to this, but not with the baked beans. So I was like, honestly, I said I don't know how this is gonna work, but if anybody can pull it off, it's Richie.
Yeah, sure pull off.
And he sure did.
Check out our forks. You're loving it. Tastes good, huh?
Yes.
Family.
Ask me that one more time.
Yeah.
You never repeat yourself to me, my God.
I got old timers. Family, listen. First lady said she's hungry today, and look how much food she gonna eat. You tell me. If she says she's hungry, but all day she balls and she's hungry, and she's not gonna have none. No. I can't wait to wear my beard thing again. It's coming. Don't worry. You're gonna see. It's coming. It's coming. Yo, I ain't gonna cap. I ain't lying. Yo, real talks on this joint. This joint hitting from a different level. You feel me?
So.
You done eat already? You gonna tell them now?
I'm gonna tell him. It's very, very simple. I feel like I'm always saying that. But family, it is.
It is simple. It's very simple.
We got ground chicken. Ground chicken is cheaper than ground turkey and ground beef.
Really?
For a pack of ground chicken is $2.98. And for a big can of Bush's baked beans, it's $1.50. So that's basically $3 and $1.50. So that's $4.50 for this meal. Okay. You already have rice in your house, and you already have onions and green peppers and tomatoes, and that's all he did. And he seasoned it to his liking.
My liking.
And that's it.
That's it. Cook it down.
Yeah, masterpiece.
And you gotta mash this piece.
And you can use ground beef if you find one for like, you know, $3, $4. You know what I mean? You can still do it. Or ground turkey. You can still do it. But I just love ground chicken.
Yeah, I'm hooked on it. Ground
Yeah.
chicken. And you just feed a family of what?
4. Ooh. This just came off the stove. I couldn't wait. I was hungry.
It's hot. Hot man. Well, I like you.
I'm watching the face. I thought you were gonna say, no, I said, I'm hungry. Like, yeah, right.
She said she's hungry, family. We're gonna see what happens. She eating though. I like her birthday hungry. But yeah.
Tomorrow's Christmas.
Merry Christmas to y'all. Cheers.
Merry Christmas.
Here. I already drink some. You don't have to drink from it. Get a straw. But yeah, Merry Christmas to y'all. You know what I mean? I feel like I'm drinking out of a glass today, you know? Feeling myself.
And, oh, honey, can you make me some peanut punch?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, I make peanut punch. I ain't no damn peanut.
Doesn't
I
matter.
can't believe she don't like peanut, but she love peanut punch.
I do not like peanuts.
Family.
No kind of nuts.
R-I-C-H-I-E.
Peanut,
R-I-C-H-I-E.
whatever. I don't like them.
R-I-C-H-I-E. N-U-T-S. What? You see, you like that kind of, maybe spell it out. You see, spell out the cashew nut them. My family. Family, listen. We appreciate y'all. I know this was a rough year, for real. This was a rough year for everybody. But look at this way. You're blessed to see another one. You know what I'm saying? And it's coming.
So, if you started off with a bad year, forget about COVID now. Just in general. If you already was having a bad year, and then boom, here comes COVID, you have a chance to make it better every day. You know what I mean? You don't have to just wait until the clock strikes midnight to say, oh, it's 2021, it's a brand new year. Start your brand new year now.
It's true.
So, we have our traditions that we like to do in our house. We've already done some of them already. But we started a new tradition several years ago where we, you know, we do our tradition, but we'll show it to you guys. You know, I put something on the community. But we're gonna have our morning breakfast. We always make a big breakfast after we open the gifts. The kids, I make a big breakfast and we eat. And we watch movies, take a nap. Then we do videos. And then later on, we have our feast. I don't know what I'm making this year. Last year I made seafood. The year before that I made me a prime rib.
Prime rib. Anything, you know? Anything is anything, family. As long as I eat it. It's not pork. Family.
This would be good in a sandwich, like a sloppy Joe.
Yeah, it tastes good as sloppy Joe.
You ever had sloppy Joe in school?
No, I haven't that one.
I never like. Well, first of all, I don't like ground beef like that. To be honest, I never liked sloppy Joe, and I used to see people in my class, in my school, and they used to be tearing it up. I'm like, damn. Is it that good?
For real.
I'm not a sloppy Joe kind of girl.
One thing is slap is your mouth. Family, yesterday, me and First Lady saw the worst thing ever. It just changed our vibes.
Excuse me.
And we just don't. Nobody would like to see stuff like that. Family, it was. We was driving. Oh my God, I don't even want to talk about it. It just hurt me because it just. Me and First Lady like, damn. Look at that. We was driving, so we seen a car pile up, right? Excuse me. Soon as we seen a car pile up, me and First Lady heart drop already because we said we know what time it is already. Just about a couple seconds before we reach, an accident just happened. We see the worst accident ever. Only thing we could say is, yo, hope everything is alright for what happened to those whoever was in that car, because that car, family, that car was like a crushed can.
Yes. You couldn't even tell it was a
God,
car.
you couldn't even tell it was a car. That's how bad it was. It was crushed. And then you could have seen the people inside there, and there's this nurse ran out to go help them and was talking, but she couldn't do nothing because the car was crushed into. She was telling people, oh, it's alright, and they was talking. It was just so.
She was holding their hands.
Holding their hands. It was just so.
Telling them to be alright.
Ah, my gosh. And it was like, yo.
A day before Christmas. And we were like, wow. Can you imagine?
Yep.
Her family
that call, yeah.
getting that call the day before Christmas that your child, your sister, your mother, whoever it was in a car accident, and they may not make it. That's how bad it was.
It was bad, family.
And one thing about us, especially me, is no matter where we're driving, if we see an accident, I always pray. I always say, dear Lord, please keep them in your prayers, and I hope everyone in the car or who was involved in the accident is okay and is able to go home to their family. I say that all the time.
Yeah, it was bad. It was so bad that we know they have to use one of those things apply to
the jaws of life.
The jaws of life to open and get them out. I mean, that just changed our vibe. I'm like,
Our whole vibe.
Whole
vibe. I remember we've been in a car accident before that was bad.
Yeah, it was.
But so when we see a car accident, we think about our car accident, but we're here to talk about it. You know what I mean? But even after our car accident, it traumatized us.
Yep.
Because when it rains, we get paranoid. If somebody's coming too close, I mean, it's crazy. If you've been in a car accident, you know how it is. It's not easy.
I mean, it's just sad because yo, it just happened. It just happened before we reached right. Just now. The way so bad there was not even no police right there. Basically, we was the police. Cause it just happened right there. So what? See? Could have been the other way around, but I would just pray like, yo, hope they alright, yo.
It was to the point where we're still thinking about it, and I even asked Richie, what hospital do you think they sent that person to?
Because
I want to find out if the person was okay. That's how bad the accident was.
That's how bad it was.
We keep on thinking about it. And I think I'm gonna follow my mind, and I'm gonna call.
Cause we know the street.
All the hospital in the area and ask them.
Yeah.
It was a couple, young lady and a man, or a couple who was in a car accident.
All right, off the.
Are they okay? I mean, really.
Family.
Wow.
It was so bad, yo. I'm like, yo, wow. All we was saying is just wow, wow. And she was just so close to it. And that joint hurt, yo.
So, you guys, it's Christmas tomorrow. Kiss up on your babies. Hug your loved ones. Tell them you love them. And just live your life, family, with no regrets. Don't be worried about what people are going to think of you, what they're going to say about you, because they're going to say those things anyway. You want to make sure that you're living each day till its fullest. If you do that, there should be no problem. No problem at all. Just live your best life, guys.
True talk.
You got a quote?
Yeah, I got one just for that too. Word of wisdom. Pastor Rich in the building. You don't know one here. Ready, first lady? You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. You get me? You understand what I just said? I'm gonna say it again. Ready, first lady? You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Next time, really, I like
Yo, you love active. I'm ready. Where am I going?
Make sure you listen.
My God, yo, let me tell you something, guys. My husband repeat himself. I don't know what.
How much time I'm gonna tell the family I got old timers? You don't believe me? I got old timer family.
My God.
You full?
No, not yet.
So eat your food.
I am, but it's cute. Not.
Roll your eyes.
Oh my God.
Chicken, yeah. You want more juice? But yeah, family.
Even if you drink water.
Again, we appreciate y'all for riding with us. You know, we entertain you, you know, we could give you a laugh, you know, we could talk with y'all, and y'all talk back to us, you know what I'm saying? We appreciate that. Conversating, you know?
This food was very good.
Even though you're not right next to us, but yeah, you're right next to us, so you're watching us now.
Yeah.
But, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? You just coming out a little show what we be having, we just talk. Whatever, we just talk, whatever come to our mind, we just talk. You're true first lady.
Yes.
You can hear them and see a look at your item. This was good though, but listen.
Very good.
I hope you enjoy the $5 meals.
I'm full now, I think.
Cheap and clean, you know? You gotta do what you gotta do. You know what I'm saying? And we enjoy it too. And we love doing stuff like this for y'all.
Yes. Yes.
So.
And we do have more. So maybe next month or so, we'll do another marathon.
Yep. We appreciate y'all. We share it with y'all. Don't forget, you reach this far to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Share us, not First Lady alone. So, we are the greedy couple, and they are First Lady.
The greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you guys taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Merry Christmas to you guys. We love you guys.
Always. You know that.
Bye.